How to start a dropshipping business. When you run a dropshipping business, you sell goods without buying them first. Instead, you contract with a supplier who will send the goods directly to your customer. Because a dropshipping business has no overhead, you can usually run one out of your home or office. To start your own business, you should identify the products you want to sell and find reliable suppliers willing to drop ship on your behalf. You must also register your business with your state and obtain all required permits and licenses. When you are ready to find customers, create a website or find an online marketplace to use. Finding suppliers. Choose a niche. There are hundreds or more dropshipping businesses and it can be difficult to compete on price alone. Accordingly, you need to find a niche and decide what sets you apart from the competition. Find a niche where you can add value. For example, you can sell electronics equipment and run a blog that shows people how to put the equipment together, 1, or you could sell pet supplies and accessories on a website where you blog about the topic. Plan on selling products that are hard to purchase locally but instead are bought online, 2. Your products shouldn't be too cheap. Ideally, a good niche is one where the products cost $100 minus $200. This price point allows you to make a solid profit from each sale without having to provide a lot of customer support. When you charge more, customers usually want to talk to a person before buying. Identify suppliers. After choosing your niche, find suppliers who are willing to drop ship. There is no one place to look to find suppliers. Instead, try the following. Search online for wholesaler and then the product you want to sell. Because wholesalers don't invest much in online advertisement, you might have to dig through 20 or more pages to find results. If you can't find anything, then swap out wholesaler for other terms like distributor, bulk, reseller, and supplier. 3. You can also look through your yellow pages under suppliers or wholesalers to see if there are any in your area. 4. If you know the manufacturer of the product, then you can contact the manufacturer directly and ask for a list of distributors. Check which suppliers your competitors use. One good way to find a reliable supplier is to locate your competitors and then find out who they use. You can find other dropshipping sellers by searching the internet. If the business has only one location listed on its Contact Us page, then it is probably a dropshipping business. They may even highlight their best-selling brands. Chances are these are reliable suppliers you also can contact. If they don't highlight any brands, then scroll through the products that they offer. Write down the names of any brands that offer products you want to sell. Ask suppliers questions. After identifying possible suppliers, reach out to them and ask if they handle drop shipping. Not every supplier is willing. Suppliers might be hard to reach, so plan on sending emails and making regular phone calls until you reach the right person. How long does it take them to ship after you've placed an order with them? What shipping methods do they offer? For example, ask if they ship overnight or internationally. Do they offer warranties on their products? If a product is defective, then you want them to replace it. What quality control systems do they use? Do they set minimum advertised prices? Ideally, they will. If not, then other drop shipping businesses could lower the prices too low for you to compete. Do they charge a monthly or annual fee? If so, then you might want to avoid them. Can you put their product photo on your website? Preferably, they will allow you to use their picture. Choose the best-selling products. Once you've found a supplier, you should go through their product pages and see what items you want to sell. Ideally, you will want to sell products that are in high demand. You can use a couple of different techniques to gauge a product's popularity. Perform market research. You can find out the demand for the product by using Google's keyword tool. This tool provides data on the number of people who have searched for a term. 8. For example, if you want to sell cat sweaters, then check how many people have searched for that term. Look at the completed listings on eBay. Go to Advanced Search and check the Completed Listings box. Then enter keywords and category. As you scroll through the pages of listings, check items that sell 60% or more. These items are usually popular. 9. Create an account with the supplier. You should call or go online to set up your account. Some suppliers will require that you complete an application. They may also request a copy of your reseller's certificate, business license, or other document. Also discuss payment methods. You can pay up front or pay on terms. When you pay up front, you pay at the same time as you place your order. With pay on terms, you pay all of your orders at a later date, such as at the end of the month. Because you are just starting out, suppliers might only agree to work with you if you pay up front. After you establish your reliability, they might be willing to change their billing.